Do you want to save more money? Who doesn't, right? Well, today, we're going to share with you 5 money-saving hacks that could help you keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. Starting off at number 5, budgeting. It's all about knowing where your money is going. Create a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. This bird's-eye view of your finances will help you identify areas where you can cut back. And believe it or not, small savings here and there can make a big difference. Coming in at number 4, automate your savings. It's easy to spend money when it's sitting in your checking account. So why not make saving effortless? Set up automatic transfers to a savings account as soon as your paycheck hits. This way, you save before you even have a chance to spend. Number 3 on our list is all about savvy shopping, couponing, and cashback. Don't leave money on the table when shopping. Look for coupons and cashback offers both online and in-store. There are numerous apps and websites that can help you find discounts and cashback opportunities. It's like getting paid to shop. Taking the second spot is a tasty tip: cook at home. Eating out can be a pricey affair. Cooking meals at home is not only cheaper but often healthier too. Plus, think about all the new recipes you can try out. And finally, our top money-saving hack: reduce unnecessary expenses. This could be the game changer. Identify and cut out expenses that aren't essential. This could mean canceling unused subscriptions or finding more affordable alternatives. Remember, every little bit counts. The key to successful money saving is discipline and consistency. Small changes in your daily habits can add up to significant savings over time. So why not give these hacks a try? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how much you've saved.